State Bank of India keeps on announcing various career opportunities for different posts every now and then. Recently, the bank has announced 2,000 vacancies for the recruitment of probationary officers. The application for SBI PO 2019 has started on April 2nd, so the eligible candidates can fill the online application form till August 22nd. To help you understand the application process easily, Careers 360 brings a step-wise guide for filling SBI PO Application 2019. Before filling the application form, candidates must have certain documents ready with them. The list of documents is being flashed on the screen. The application form of SBI PO must be filled in 5 steps: registration, basic information, photo and signature, details, preview and payment. The first step is to register. Candidates must click on New Registration and fill the required basic details, after which an email ID and password will be generated. Keep the ID and password safe for future references. After entering the basic details, candidates must upload the scanned image of their photograph and signature in the prescribed specifications. Further, candidates will be redirected to the details window, where they must enter their address and qualification details. It must be remembered that all the fields marked in red are mandatory. After filling all the details, candidates will be able to preview their application form. Ensuring all the details to be correct, candidates must click on Submit and proceed to pay. General category candidates must pay Rs 750, while the reserved category candidates must pay Rs 125. After successful payment of the application fee, the system will generate a payment receipt which candidates must take a printout of. Candidates must also not forget to take the print of application form as well.